So, hi everyone, it's me, Perso again. And for today's video is nandito pa rin tayo sa Sweden and si Intay Mayon yung nag-try mag-slide. And then, ayaw niya talaga mag-slide. Pinilit lang siya ng kanilang anak. And once na nasimula na niya, and ayan, paulit-ulit na siya, no? So, enjoy the moment when vacation is here. And also yung aking anak, guys. Tuwang-tuwa siya pag may mag-slide. As in, hindi na niya maintindihan yung kanyang reaction dito.